How's it going, guys? I'm Sergeant Michael Kerr with Charlie Company 371. We're over here at the Breaking Through the Ice drill. Basically what we're doing today is teaching soldiers on how to survive if they break through the ice on skis. So the basic idea is they're crossing the ice in a hasty manner. They didn't have time to check the ice. They happen to fall through. So then the drill is to get all of your equipment, your skis and your poles, and your bag full of all of your dry emergency clothes back on the ice the way you came. You crawl to safe ice, then you run into the woods, change into dry clothes, and continue the mission.
Spread your arms. Dude, get the stuff. Throw the rocks out. Throw it. Ski. Another one. Throw it like you mean it. Hit him. Look at me. What's your name?
Yeah.
Okay, Chuck. Do big, deep spreads. One more. You're gonna be cool, right?
Yep.
Throw. Hit him. Kick the feet. Hit him. You're almost there. All the way. All the way. Good job. Stand up.
I'm Specialist Charles Wallace with 371 Cav. Initially, when they jump in, they'll feel cold water shock, which they'll feel a gasp for air. Their body will start shunting blood up to warm up the core, and usually panic sets in.
Deep breaths. Calm down, calm down. Take throw the back. Breaths. Throw the back. Good. Push it. Good. Get the ski. Look at me. What's your name?
Brian.
Okay, Brian. Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Where from California?
Irvine.
Irvine?
Yeah, pretty nice little town.
All right.
During the recovery process,